Looking for an insanely good lens for close-up shots? There's exciting news for photographers needing a top-quality prime lens. Laowa has finally released its highly anticipated 10mm autofocus model for pre-order. Keep watching to learn more about the features of this game-changing new lens. Laowa's 10mm f2.80 DFF lens is finally available for pre-order, marking an exciting first for the brand, their inaugural autofocus lens. Photographers have eagerly awaited the ability to pair Laowa's signature ultra-wide perspective and minimal distortion with autofocus convenience. The lens delivers a broad 130.4-degree angle of view, allowing more of a scene to fit in the frame compared to standard wide-angle lenses. Capturing sweeping landscapes, cramped interiors, and unique perspectives becomes possible. Despite its 10mm focal length, Laowa designed the lens to remain lightweight at less than a pound. This is lighter than many zoom lenses, making it highly portable for all-day carry. Photographers can easily bring this lens anywhere without being weighed down by bulky equipment.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Laowa's excellent 0D technology is present to reduce distortion to near zero. Straight lines will appear straight across the entire frame, even in the corners. The view in the lens matches the final image without bending or curving. Imagine being able to save a ton of time on post-processing and getting accurate previews of your work. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Well, the good news is that you can achieve just that, and it's all thanks to the fast f2.8 maximum aperture that performs incredibly well in low-light situations. With this feature, you'll be able to take stunning photos and capture those precious moments with ease. Lower noise and faster shutter speeds are possible versus lenses with smaller apertures like f4 or f5.6. This expands the versatility into nighttime or indoor scenarios. The 5-blade diaphragm creates unique 10-point sunstar flares for enhanced aesthetics. An incredibly short minimum focusing distance of 12 cm allows you to get as close as 4.7 inches from your subject. Combine this with the wide perspective for intriguing compositions with exaggerated foregrounds and backgrounds. This brings close-up and wide-angle photography together. One of the biggest advantages is the autofocus system. It provides quick, accurate performance on par with premium lenses. Tracking moving subjects or shifting focus from near to far is reliable. Its 3 extra-low dispersion elements nearly eliminate chromatic aberrations and color fringing. 2 aspherical elements curtail spherical aberrations and distortion. Together, these ensure sharp photos across the frame from edges to center. For those seeking an ultra-wide perspective in a more compact and lightweight package, this 10mm delivers. Landscapes are captured in sweeping grandeur, architecture gains drama, and interiors feel expansive. The convenient autofocus pairs perfectly with the expanded views. Despite the compact size, Laowa manages to fit 15 total lens elements inside to maximize image quality and control distortions. Each element has a specific purpose, like reducing chromatic aberrations or correcting curvatures. Together, they ensure clarity and accuracy straight from the lens. For those wondering about the 5-blade aperture, don't worry. Creative solar flares are still possible. The 10-point sunstars add artistic effects to backlit subjects. This can enhance the atmosphere of outdoor shoots. The bright f2.8 aperture performs admirably in low light as well. Unlike some other ultra-wide lenses, the Laowa 10mm includes a built-in 77mm filter thread. This makes adding filters like neutral density and polarizers convenient to expand your options creatively. Enhance long exposure effects or color contrast with a simple filter. For photographers seeking an ultra-wide perspective paired with autofocus convenience, the wait is over. We can't wait to get our hands on the Laowa 10mm f2.80 DFF and take it for a spin. From sprawling landscapes to artistic portraits, this lens opens up new realms of creative photography like never before. So that's all about Laowa's new 10mm autofocus lens. Do share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear your takes. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.